So first of all, you have to download the OMNET and the INET framework from the link provided, and that will be in a zip file, and you have to extract the file to the C drive. So you select the C drive and extract the file, and this procedure is used for all versions of OMNET, and for the sake of the study we'll be using an older version. So you open the file, extracted file. As we can see here, we are using OMNET version 4, and then we go to the file that has been selected and open it. Then we type in these commands, the commands as you see it. If you are using a later version, you don't need to type this command. As soon as you open it, everything is going to be extracted for you. So you only need to configure. You only need to type in the configure file if you are using a later version of OMNET, and OMNET will start to configure for you as you see in the video. And this takes time depending on the speed of your system, so you have to be a little patient. So after that, you type the make file and the make command, and that will build the whole OMNET on the system for you, and that also takes a lot of time, so you have to be patient. It has been edited, or the time has been cut short for the purpose of this tutorial. So after everything is done, this is what you see, and you type OMNET pp as seen here, and this will start OMNET for you. As I said earlier, this procedure is the same for all versions of OMNET. I am using Windows 7 32-bit, and this is the only version that is compatible with it, this or previously. So if you're using Windows 10, you can download the latest version of OMNET and go through the same procedure as seen here. So you click OK. We are going to run it from the samples folder, and OMNET will open and run as is going to be seen soon. The other videos that will be made by me, we are going to use the latest version which are installed on Linux. This is just for the sake of installation for Windows users. So we wait till it's opened. So the start or welcome screen will open, which you can close, and then we'll proceed on how to import the INET framework into OMNET. So this wizard opens and you can click OK, but in case it doesn't work, don't worry, there's another way I will show you which you can import INET as in here. If this error comes, don't worry, there's another way out. So the INET folder must appear here in where the samples are. So I'll first show you where my INET folder is located. It's already downloaded and extracted. So we will go back to OMNET and import that. We will go to File, and Import. You go to the General and go to Existing Projects. Then we browse to where we kept the INET file that has been downloaded and extracted, and we select that and we say Finish. So as you can see here, you have the INET folder there. So this is a simple way of installing OMNET on Windows with INET.